TUT coin is making a strong move in today's cryptocurrency market, trading around $0.038 after gaining approximately 20% today. The sharp increase has brought renewed attention to TUT as buyers push the token higher and short-term momentum strengthens. A 20% one-day pump is a significant move. Gains of this size can attract fresh traders, increase market activity, and create stronger short-term sentiment. However, rapid rallies can also bring higher volatility as early buyers begin taking profits. The $0.038 level is now an important price area to watch. If TUT can hold around this region after today's rally, it could potentially develop into a short-term support zone. Maintaining the recent gains would suggest that buyers remain active, while stronger selling pressure could lead to a pullback or consolidation. Trading activity will be another important factor behind today's move. If buying interest remains strong while TUT continues holding around $0.038, the current momentum could potentially continue. If activity fades quickly after the surge, however, some of today's gains could be retraced. TUT is connected to a blockchain-based ecosystem focused on digital assets and decentralized applications. Future ecosystem development, network activity, adoption, partnerships, community engagement, and verified project updates could influence market sentiment around TUT. The broader cryptocurrency market will also play an important role in TUT's next move. Bitcoin and major altcoins often influence overall investor confidence and risk appetite. If the wider market remains supportive, TUT could potentially benefit from renewed interest in smaller cryptocurrency projects. If broader sentiment weakens, today's gains could face additional selling pressure. TUT manages to stabilize around $0.038, maintain healthy market participation, and benefit from positive broader market conditions. Today's rally could potentially become part of a larger upward move. If sellers take control, however, the token could enter a consolidation phase or retrace some of its recent gains. Overall, TUT's reported 20% pump today is a strong short-term development, with the $0.038 region now becoming an important level to monitor. Whether buyers can defend this area and sustain the current momentum will be key to determining TUT's next phase of price action.